So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can register for our lessons. Okay, so what you need to do is open your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Samsung browser, or any other browser that you are using. And then you type in DISCRETE learning, okay, discretelearning.com. Right, so once you type in, you click enter or search, and then it will load and it will take you to this login page. So if you have an account, just go straight in and log in. Okay. If you do not, you need to create an account. So I'll click create an account. Okay. So create an account, and then this here will pop up. So you put your names there. So I am Poul Solutions. And then here you put in your email. Okay. And then here you put the password that you want. So I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can put any password that you want there. Here you're going to type your phone number. Okay, and then here you put your date of birth. So I was born on 6th February 2025. Okay, so you can put any date of birth there. And then here you are going to select your university. Okay, so we have a lot of university here. You can see there's Gonza, CBU, Mulungushi, Cavendish, all these universities. Okay, so you click the university that you belong to. Okay, so for example, I'm going to click University of Lusaka. Okay, and then you click register. Okay, so it's going to load and it's going to tell you that you have successfully created your account. So what you need to do now is put in the details that you registered with. So you put in your email here that you used, and then there you're going to put in the password that you set, and then you click login. All right, so once you log in here, it will take you to this dashboard. Okay, so this dashboard here, okay, let's remove this. So this dashboard here has all the courses that we offer. So there's chemistry, math, physics, biology. Okay, if you're taking linear algebra, you can register, introduction to real analysis, all that. Okay, so let's say, for example, you want to register for mathematics. So what are you going to do? Okay, you're going to click open. Okay, so you can see they're saying you're not enrolled in this course. So what you need to do is click subscribe. Okay, and then it will bring all the courses that we offer. So you tick the one that you want. So maybe I want to register for mathematics, okay, and chemistry. And then on the right here, you choose the duration. Okay, so I'm going to say math 1 month, even the chemistry 1 month. Okay, let me even put physics and biology here. So I'm registering for those 4 courses. So once you click, once you select the courses, you're going to click enroll. Okay, you wait for it to load. It will take you to this page that will show you the total amount that you're going to pay, okay, for all those courses that you've selected. Okay, and then you click pay. All right, so you're going to have this drop down that is going to come. Okay, so here you put the phone number that you're going to use to pay. Okay, you put the phone number that you're going to use to pay. If you are paying using maybe a mobile money agent, okay, tell them to put their number here. Okay, and then you click pay now. Okay, so it's going to load. So you wait for it, and then it's going to take you to this page. Okay, so here it's telling you about to pay DISCRETE Learning Institute the sum of whatever there. Okay, so what are you going to do here? You are going to click pay. So once you click that pay, okay, this page here is going to pop up. Okay, so once this page pops up on your phone or your PC, okay, you are going to receive a pop-up message on your phone telling you to import the password for your mobile money. Okay, so once you import the password for your mobile money, you will be able to be let into the website. Okay, it means you have registered. Okay, so let's say, for example, let me put in my password on my phone now. Okay. Okay, so when you come back to the dashboard, you are going to see that now you are enrolled in math, chemistry, physics, and biology there. Okay, so allow me to explain some of the things that you can see here. So on this menu here, if you click that menu, the menu will disappear. If you click it again, it will appear. So on the menu there, we have this where it's written learn. Okay, so when you click on learn, you're going to find all the courses that you are registered in. Okay, and then you can close that. You can click YouTube channels. You're going to find our YouTube channels there. Okay, so you can click maybe Tutor Poul Solutions. Okay, you're going to go to my channel here, and then you can watch some of the videos. Okay, it will ask you to subscribe, so you subscribe. So it will show you some of the videos that I've uploaded on my YouTube channel. Okay, but on the website we have a lot of them. So I'm going to show you how you can access all that. So let's go back here. All right, so on my YouTube channel, you mostly find math and chemistry, and then for Tutor John, okay, for Tutor John, you're going to find biology and physics, and then for math with Marius, of course, you're just going to find math. Okay, so I can close that, and then I open this one for study materials. So when I click on study materials there, it's going to take me to this page where we have different study materials based on your university. So if you're from Apex, you open the Apex folder. If you're from Unilas, you open the Unilas folder. Then you open that just like that. If you're from UNZA, you open the one for what? For UNZA. Right, so let's go back there and then check what we have inside the courses there. So we have talked about all these here, okay, on the menu. So if, for example, you want to learn something, okay, you just open, okay, this course, and then you're going to, if you open math, you're going to find general mathematics and probability and statistics for second semester Apex. So this one here is specifically for those who are doing second semester Apex, okay? For the rest of you, you just go in the general mathematics, okay? So you're going to find 4 folders there. One will be for the lessons and tutorials. The other one will be for the handwritten notes. The other one will be for the tutorial sheet and assignments. The other one will be for what? Past quiz, tests, and exam papers. Okay, so the setup is the same. Even if you go in the chemistry folder, the biology folder, the physics folder, any folder that you go into, you're going to find the same. So if you go in lessons and tutorials here, okay, you're going to find all the topics that you can have in math. So you can see there are a lot of topics, right? So let's say, for example, I want to learn maybe SADs and rationalization. So I'll click SADs and rationalization there, and then I'm going to find 3 folders. Okay, so the first one is for the notes. The second one is for the recorded tutorials that we record for ourselves. And then here where I put supplementary tutorials, okay, there are other videos that you can use to learn. So if I click on slides and notes here, you see you are going to find the notes here. So you can click any to study them. Okay, let's click this one here. All right, so the notes are going to open like that. Okay, so they have opened there, so you can go there and you can study them. Okay, so these are your notes to study, so make sure you study them. They are very simple and simplified. Okay, so what if I leave these notes? Okay, I also have these notes here that I wrote by myself. So we can go through these notes to learn. Okay, so if you don't want to read the notes, you want the videos, you go in the recorded tutorials. Okay, so you click there, you're going to find the videos here. So there's intro to SADs, whatever I can see there. Okay, so let's play the introduction to SADs. So you click on it, it's going to open like that if you're using a PC, so you can move a bit up like that, and then you play it. Okay, so you can start learning here. Okay, you can start learning. You can see the video is playing. If you want to fast forward, you just click on these 2 things here that are on the screen. So you can double click on them. You'll be fast forwarding your video. And then at the end here, okay, at the end here, I have these 2 icons here. Okay, so the last one there puts you in full screen mode. So if I click it like that, my video is going to appear in full screen mode like that. Okay, so you can watch your video in full screen mode like that. Okay, if you don't want the screen mode, the full screen mode, you can still watch. That's the way it is there. Okay, so we also have this icon here. So this icon is for picture play. Okay, so you can play your video while doing something else on your PC. So if you click on it, you see I'm going to have this a small thing popping up there. So even this is on your phone. So you can be playing your video there, and then you can even leave this browser. Okay, so you can even go somewhere else. Okay, like this. So you see it's still there. Okay, so you can play it, and then to return to full screen mode, you just click on it, and then you'll be able to return to the full screen mode here. All right, so that's it on the lessons and tutorials. The setup is the same in all these topics that you can see. So you just pick the topic that you want to learn, and then you'll be able to learn. All right, so after that, you can check out the handwritten notes. Okay, so these handwritten notes, most of them have a password. Okay, so the password is PB4511. Okay, so you can open the ones for set, you'll find them. Okay, you study them just like that. So these are very good notes. They are very simplified. So make sure you use them. All right, so those are the handwritten notes. And then when I go to the tutorial sheet and assignments here, I'm going to find different universities. Okay, so if you're from Apex, you go in the Apex, you open, you're going to find video and written solutions. So the video solutions you open there, you're going to find, depending on your intake. So this was for the January 2024 intake. This was for the 2024 July. And then for your intake, which is 25 this year, you place there. Okay, so you see the videos that we've solved so far there. Okay, so you can open them if you want to learn. So it will come, you can play it, and you'll be able to learn there. Okay, and then what else? Okay, you can also check out the written solutions here. You're going to find some of the written solutions that we upload there. All right, so if you do not see your university here, you can go in this folder where we wrote our tutorial sheet and explained solutions. Okay, so you open this folder, you're going to find a lot of tutorial sheet based on all the math topics, okay, that you can have. So these tutorial sheet here have solutions. So for example, if you want to learn functions, okay, if you want to learn functions, you just have to open this folder here. Okay, just have to then open this folder. Okay, let me say I want to open the one for the logs and the exponentials. So you click on it. So it's going to open here. Okay, so you have the questions here. Okay, so you can take note of the questions that you have and then try to solve them. And then once you are done, go below the questions there. You're going to find the solutions. So these are the solutions there. Okay, these are the solutions there. So you can learn using them. Okay, so you can go back there. And then if you are taking a stats and probability, we have some tutorial sheet here. So you can open and then you can check them out. Okay, we also have more worksheets on the probability and statistics. You can check them out there. All right, so we are done with the tutorial sheet folder. Okay, so you just go to your university there. And then when you go to the past quiz, test, and exam papers, you're going to find a similar setup, okay, to the tutorial sheet folder. So if you're from Apex, you go to Apex. If you're from Unilas, you go to Unilas. If you're from Mukuba, you go to Mukuba. So for example, if I go to Mukuba here, I'm going to find video solutions, okay? You can see the video solutions for some revision of their test papers. And then even you can even go in the written solutions there. You're also going to find the written solutions. Okay, and then here we have some past papers on probability and statistics. All right, so that's how you can use this drive. Okay, so feel free to try out whatever you want. Okay, so search for whatever you want on this drive. You're going to find them. Okay, even in the chemistry there, if you open, it will be a similar setup, general chemistry for the rest of you. Okay, and then if you're doing second semester Apex, you go in this folder here. Okay, so let's try to go in the general chemistry there. You're going to see the setup is the same. Okay, so if I go tutorial sheet maybe, and then I open the folder for UNZA, okay, you're going to see video and written. Let's try to open the written ones. You're going to see the tutorial sheet for the chemistry that they take at UNZA. So you can open any. Okay, you can open that. You find all these tutorial sheets that are solved. Okay, you can open this folder. You find all these tutorial sheets that are solved. So make sure you use what is on the drive. Okay, so our Learning Institute, okay, is the best because you can learn at any time, anywhere, okay? You don't wait for us to teach you. You can actually teach yourself, okay? But we also have live classes. So when you register, you have two types of classes that you're going to be attending, okay? One is the live classes where we interact and you can ask questions. And then the other one are the recorded classes that you find on this website. All right, so that's all about this website. Feel free to register yourself and then start learning, okay? Thank you so much.